Today 5, from hobby to a CEO mindset. And I want to go on this journey with you today because we're diving into something that's absolutely crucial, the mindset shift from treating your business like a hobby to stepping into your role of the CEO. This transformation is going to be the fundamental of what you're going to accomplish in the next 90 days and beyond. Let's talk about the stark difference between an employee mindset and a CEO mindset. When you're stuck in the employee mindset, you're constantly waiting for someone else to tell you what to do, waiting for permission, waiting for validation. But becoming a CEO creates the results and takes initiatives and drives the progress forward. Think about how you have been approached in your business. Is it like a hobby? Is it something whenever it's convenient for you or when you have extra time? A true CEO shows up consistently, treating their business as a primary focus, not an afterthought. Now let's take this and break it down. What it really means to be a CEO. First, it's about taking a complete ownership of your vision and direction. You're the one who decides where your business is heading. Second, it's about maintaining the consistency, especially whenever it's inconvenient, because let's be honest, that's when it matters most. And the third, it's about making decisions based on growth rather than your comfort. A CEO understands the most important choices that often lies outside their comfort zone. So let me share something personal with you. The moment that everything changed in my business is whenever I had the mental mindset shift from treating my business like a side project to leading like a CEO. I stopped waiting for that someone to give me that permission to succeed. I stopped making excuses about the time and the resources. And instead, I started creating results, making decisions, and taking full responsibility for my outcome. That's when the true transformation began. So here's the truth. You don't need to have an official fancy office, have an official title of being a CEO. You just need to make a decision right now to step into that role of your business and your life. Ask yourself, what one decision can you make today as a CEO that will move you forward? It's really the next step into the leadership role, to think like a CEO that you're meant to be. So if you're ready to get on the CEO journey instead of the employee journey, then drop CEO in the comment and let's make this mind shift set together. Friends, I'm so proud of you for being here. You can do it. You do not have to have that 9-to-5 job if you do not want it. Guess what? You can be your own CEO of your own business for less than what a cell phone costs. What's holding you back? Everything is step by step done for you. Your business automation is already set in place. All you have to do is plug and play. Your program is step by step with 10 different streams of income. Become the CEO of your life. Make a difference. Make a difference in your family. Comment details below if you're ready to get that CEO mindset and going. I have my link down below to come join my community. And I'll also have my link down below that if you're ready to get started, it gives you all the details that you need to get started. I'll see you tomorrow for day 6.